So I'm back. I'm happy to say that Dispute Champs has officially launched. We launched last Friday on the 30th. I'm so excited, guys. So a little bit about Dispute Champs Academy now, guys. It's broken down into courses, but you can select to take all courses at one time. When I tell you, I put my heart and soul and all my strategies and all my goodie bag stuff in this academy, I really did. So I want to show you guys, give you a tour of the actual academy so you can check it out and see what you think. Here it is, guys. Let me share it first. All right. Okay. All right, guys, here it comes. Here it is. I'm super excited. Okay, so here is Dispute Champs Academy, guys. Now, this is the homepage. All right, so let's go through all this and I just want to show you like the different courses. And so, as you can see, the courses are broken down into individual courses. And if you know me, of course, yes, I do have some free stuff on here. As a matter of fact, I have a lot of free stuff on here. But courses are very affordable, as you can see. There is a course for every single thing that you can imagine that could be wrong with your credit, right? So also we have here where you can do all courses in one, which kind of combines and it makes the price lower. And you have a lifetime access to every single course as long as Dispute Champs is Dispute Champs. Now, let me just get into the course. Now, if you have already purchased the course, you'll log in, and I've already logged in. And so you're going to go to your account. See, I'm logged in here. So it's going to take you to your profile. Now, in your profile is where your other menu is, and this is all the stuff that you actually purchased that you have access to. So we're going to click on courses. And as you can see, it tells you how many courses you have. It tells you how many you've completed, your certificates, your points, and all that. So I have 11 courses, all 11. So what I'm going to do is just click on the course that I want to show you. And these are all the lessons in the course. And of course, every course has like lesson groups and a quiz. So at the end of everything, you will take a quiz. If you want to get your Dispute Champs Academy certificate, you are required to pass at least 75% in order to get the certificate. So, I mean, that's cool, guys. All right, so I'm going to click on this course to show you what a course looks like. So as soon as you log in, this is what we're going to look at, the first course, which is what is Metro 2. We're going to break it down. And so you click on this.
Welcome
This is a
to
video
Dispute Champs, guys.
and I'm doing some talking, guys, in this one. It's probably about an hour long video of me just talking and breaking down every single thing that you see in this course about Metro 2. And so understanding Metro 2 codes and segments, once we get here is where I'm breaking down all the codes, the segments, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to really effectively dispute and actually win your cases with this. Now, error, violation, how to dispute, like I'm really giving it to you in this course so that you can actually dispute with Metro 2 and actually be successful with it. Now, I will say this, guys, disputing with the AI softwares that's out here. I mean, that's fine. I'm totally not against AI at all. But when you're doing disputes, you have to be more strategic with it. They do have eOscar. They can tell if it's like an AI letter, which makes it to them less genuine. So when you're using Metro 2, don't think that you can just use the codes. Like as long as you have the codes on there, it's going to work. It doesn't work like that. What you have to do is have facts to back up what you're saying. So this is what I'm teaching in the course. So let me get back to it. All right. So everything is going to be here. I'm not going to teach today. I can easily slide into it, but I won't do that because I just wanted to show you the course. So we have like the account status fields. I'm just breaking all this stuff down to you. And the cool thing about these courses is that once you purchase the course, you have it for a lifetime. So you can always go back to it, refer to it, and things of that nature. And of course you have the course, and it's wanting me to go back. Let me see here. Okay, So yeah, and so I'll show you the course real quick. It's just real simple. It's going to be anywhere between 12 and 15 questions. You'll go through, answer the questions. You have multiple choice, to answer the questions. I'm just going to choose something to show you that, and that's that. So now, guys, we're going to go back to accounts. Now, this is like the really good stuff that I'm super excited about. First thing I want to show you is our Dispute Champs library. Now, in this library, once you get on the landing page, you're going to be right on bankruptcy reporting errors. So you click on that, and it's going to show you all of the stuff that we have in our library so far that you can use to help you dispute your bankruptcies. We have affidavits, letters, laws, just all the things, like anything that you can think of or that you don't think of that you can use to do research with and researching bankruptcy and how to get it off your credit report. We have Fair Credit Reporting Act, Fair Debt Collection Practicing Act laws, manuals, your rights, Fair Credit Act report, top 25 mistakes credit bureaus make. You need to know this stuff if you're going to be like a professional disputer. Now, whether you are a company just looking to kind of brush up or learn more things or new things to help your clients, or if you are disputing individually, just trying to repair your credit, Dispute Champs is going to have what you need, guys. I'm not just saying this, I'm showing you and I'm telling you. Identity theft disputes. And the thing about Dispute Champs is that we're still building it out. So every week we're adding more. I have so much, like I've been in this business for almost 20 years. So I have so much just that I know and that I've used and still use to add to this course. I'm just adding stuff. So you'll have complete 100% access to this for a lifetime once you sign up for it, if you choose to. And it's going to keep growing. And I am so excited about it, guys. Listen, when I tell you that I put my heart and soul into this academy, I really did. And I wanted to make it affordable so that anybody could get it. You know what I'm saying? Like whether you work at McDonald's or if you're a nurse or a lawyer, whoever, like you can get it. It's attainable, especially for individuals who want to repair their credit, but you don't necessarily want to go to a company to repair your credit and you want to learn. So that's what I'm here for. And that's what Dispute Champs is all about, guys. Just teaching, learning, share information and growing. We are also going to open up a Dispute Champs community that I'm going to be in. And of course, I'm going to have my people in as well, administration, to kind of just be available to answer questions and do chats and things of that nature. So let me get back into this because I don't want to get off cue. All right. So I'm going to go back to accounts and I'm going to show you something else. We have our Dispute Champs letter generator. So if you are a Dispute Champs student, you will have access to our library, which is we're still packing it with dispute letters. So don't think that, what we have is all that we're going to have. So if you want to dispute inquiries, you're going to click on the inquiry tab, and then you're going to choose what inquiry letter that you want to use. And I'm just going to fill this out real quick. I'm just going to put anything in here so it'll let me pass through. And I'm going to show you guys how simple this is. Now, don't get me wrong, guys. This is, it's not like a, all right. So yeah, it's not like it's not as robust as it's going to be. And I'm just keeping it real with you. The letter generator, because it was generally made for students because this is a school. So this is like, you can practice letters or you can send letters. You can do legitimate letters because this is like the real thing in here. So you're going to fill in your information. You're going to choose what credit bureau that you're going to send the information to. And then you're going to put your credit info in here. Like whatever you're having an issue with, whatever you're disputing, you're going to put that information in here, the inquiries. And the thing about this is once you click generate letter, it goes to your editor. So you can add as many inquiries and things of that nature in here as you want. Like you can literally copy and paste this and, put it there and fill in however many inquiries you want, or you can copy and paste your inquiries or whatever your information is from your credit report, put it in there. You can make this letter your own and then you will download it. You can download it as Word or you can download it as PDF. Now, I still have over 320, I think, dispute letters to add to this, and I'm adding to it weekly. So this thing is going to be crazy. So I'm super duper excited about it. I can't tell you how much I'm excited about it. Now, the last thing that I want to show you guys is this. Now, this, guys, is our Dispute Champs toolkit. So with our toolkit, I thought it would be a great idea to like make this like a study type thing. So it's like more like a real academy, because we have our courses, quizzes, our Dispute Champs library, letter generator, and now we have our Dispute Champs toolkit. Now, let's say that you have a repossession on your credit reporting. You're going to need to know the repossession laws in your state, so that you can figure out how you can use strategy and law to get that repo off your credit report. So let's say you live in Alabama. You want to go to your Disputes Champs toolkit widget. Let's say that you live in Alabama. All right, so you're going to put Alabama in, and it's going to tell you some laws about Alabama, things of that nature. And then you're going to click on View State Code. And then it's going to take you to our other website where it tells you a bit more about Alabama state repossession law. A lender, title holder, or lessor does not need a court order to take possession of your vehicle. They can disable the vehicle or repossess on your property as long as it does not breach the peace. So if you're looking for like some breach, if they breach the peace, if they've done anything like breach the peace, can be any little thing that they've done. They could, just all kinds of things. So when you click on that, it's going to take you to this website, which breaks down the laws even further. Alabama State Code Title 7. It's going to tell you everything you need to know about Alabama's repossession laws. So then it's going to take you to our other website, which is going to give you a little more information about Alabama state laws. And it tells you when repossession can happen and how it works. A lender or title holder or lessor does not need a court order to take possession of your vehicle. They can disable the vehicle or repossess on your property as long as it does not breach the peace. So this is just a little bit more information that you need. And if they breach the peace while taking the vehicle, then you have legal reasons to go ahead and dispute. Now, once you click on that link, it's going to bring you here to find law, which is going to give you a deeper dive into Alabama state repossession laws. So guys, this Dispute Champs tool, I think it's just like genius. And I'm so excited that I had the idea to actually make it. All right. So going back to the toolkit, now we have a Metro 2 Finder widget as well. So we're going to click on that. And I'm going to show you. All right, and I'm going to show you the Metro 2 code finder widget. Now it says select a BS field name to see the full BS code. Base segment code is what it is. So if you want to, just like if you're doing something real quick and you just want to kind of get to it and see what the Metro 2 code is for XYZ, you can go to this widget in the toolkit. So if you want to see what the account number Metro 2 code is, it's going to tell you here, account BS7 account number assigned by data furniture. If you want to know the credit limit, it's going to tell you what that Metro 2 code is. So it's just like quick actions to kind of help you be more sufficient with your disputing. So guys, I love this. Like, y'all just don't know how excited I am about Dispute Champs. So all right, and so now we'll do, like, I'll show you one more. Let's do a dispute reason generator widget. All right, so the dispute reason generator widget. Now, if you are looking for reasons of disputing, because you have to have a reason, right? So if there is a incorrect balance shown, let's start that. And if you have any add account details here, like if you have any extra thing that you want to actually put in the widget to say to help the widget give you a better response or a reason or different or add to it, then it'll do that if you just put it in here, and then you'll click generate dispute reason. And so it gives you Metro 2 law and a dispute reason for incorrect balance account reporting. So, and basically it does it for any kind of reason. I have so many reasons here. Collector not licensed in my state. So we're going to give you a dispute reason for that here. This collection agency is not licensed in my state. It is violating fair debt collection practice and law, da da da. Just so you know it, and you can copy it, paste it into wherever you need to paste it into. So that's it, guys. And then we have a collection law finder, state foreclosure law finder. It has the public record law, and it's just going to get bigger, guys. I'm excited. Like, I have like 10 other widgets that we're still working on that's going to go on this website. I just want this thing just so jam packed that it will be like a disputing one-stop shop for you guys, and affordable. And then you get me, like, they tell me that I'm like a motivator. They're like, girl, when I call you, I just feel like I can do anything. So I'm trying to give you guys that energy too in Dispute Champs. All right. So last but not least, I want to show you guys that you can monitor your credit from Dispute Champs too. This right here is Smart Credit. Y'all know I'm a Smart Credit girl and will always be. All right, so on this, you can sign up for a Smart Credit without even ever having to leave the website. And so that's that. And I love Smart Credit. Smart Credit is going to show all 22 fields. But that's the reason why I love it. All 22 fields on all 3 credit reports side by side. I mean, honestly, it beats toggling between screens or different credit reports and stuff. Everything is just right there. And last but not least, again, we have our mentorship program. Now, the mentorship program is meant for, like, if you have quick questions, you can sign up for 15-minute quick questions with Tina, and we'll do that. Or if you want in-depth teaching, you can sign up for a monthly subscription, and that's 45 minutes. We'll do screen shares, we can do Zooms, we can do phone calls, just all the things. And I email my mentorees like so many different things, letters, strategies, like whatever. We'll put our minds together and come up with whatever we need to come up with strategy to fix whatever disputing problem that you have. If you want to do that on a month-to-month basis for a while, that is fine. You have that option here. Or if you just want to sign up for one 45-minute mentorship, we can do the same thing. So that's there for you guys too. So there you have it. I mean, that's Dispute Champs Academy. I'm like, this is my new baby. I love it totally. And like I said, guys, Dispute Champs is just going to keep growing. It's going to get bigger and bigger and bigger as it relates to more courses, more in-depth teachings, and it is there for you guys. I'm so excited about it. This thing is really going to change some lives and help some people out with their credit or credit repair businesses. Everyone is welcome. So I welcome you to Dispute Champs Academy. If this video has helped you if you think Dispute Champs Academy is cool, please type value in the comments so that this video can go around, and just so I can know, like, your opinion, what you think on what you saw so far. I'm open to, whatever you guys have to say. Hopefully it's good. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.